Right now we are on Forest Route 2N13, headed toward Horse Springs Campground. In the background there, you can see him, is my buddy Scott, and that is his shiny new Tacoma. It's not new, but it's new to him, and he just had wheels and tires put on it. It already had King suspension, when he bought it, so he's pretty eager to start working up toward a little more challenging roads, I think. This is my second outing in my Ford, and Scott's first outing in his Tacoma. Almost straight on. So this road is not the road that I've been on before. We're on the 3N17, and it's kind of challenging. There were some pretty crazy ruts back there, and right now it's pretty rocky, and there's a good drop off. I think Scott's enjoying it though, so totally worthwhile. I just tested out 4 low, and wow, 4 low in this truck has really got some oompa, so that was cool. Say that I was really worried that this truck was going to be just too wide, too wide for these kinds of roads. And so far, doing all right. I might have to do a little adjustment here and there to back up and take another stab at a tight spot, but maybe like only once or twice.
I did not like that big rock.
Yeah, I had to back up and take another stab at it.
Style.
Yeah, welcome to your new truck.
still on this channel?
Yep. Good morning. We're just leaving Horse Springs Campground. We had the place all to ourselves. Super nice. It was just perfect. Such a nice night. Scott had to take off early, so he took off and he bailed north. But I guess he came to a spot where there was a huge downhill, kind of off camber, and it was really washed out. So he turned around and came all the way back. I guess he's got some work steps to take care of this morning. So we're together again. We're gonna try to map out a nicer route out of here. We want just kind of a basic road, something simple, nothing crazy. Yesterday's adventures were cool. We got into some rough rocks, trails off road, rated that road as moderate, and on the listing there were a couple of areas that were extreme, and I think they kind of nailed it. Lots of loose rock, lots of kind of gnarly up and down, back and forth, but so far we're having a great time. So we got to the end of the Horse Springs Campground, the road that leads to there, and there was a sign that pointed with an arrow that the way that Scott went, that said, "Do not go this way, washed out." So, oh well. That's the clue right there. So this is the way we went, which was the wrong way. I guess that way is the way to Holcomb Valley and Big Pine Flat, and we went up there and experienced a lot of rocks.
What's that?
This was where we did the turn.
Yeah.
So that way leads to Holcomb Valley, and then the way we went, I don't even...
This is the way we came in.
Yeah. Staging area. That was where we turned the wrong way, and I'll add some more information in the video description about where we turned and what road we were on and stuff like that. And it just, sometimes life sends you on an adventure, and in this instance it was Google Maps sending us on an adventure that we really hadn't planned on. This weekend was really gonna be just a couple of guys, cruise out to a nice camp spot, easy road, and you know, just chill out. That little bit of adventure actually was pretty damn fun, and a good test. You know, this is where you learn the changes that you need to make in your rig. I'm seriously thinking that I should probably lift the truck a little bit more and throw some sliders on here. Get a little bit taller tire, because there were some obstacles that I found out that it's important to have skid plates on that road. So skid plates, high clearance, 4x4, positive traction, it's all important, all important. This road's a cakewalk in comparison. It sure does smell good out here. All the incense cedars are just amazing. Come on, buddy. Get off the road. Come on.
Oh, it's a king snake.
He was watching a lizard that was hanging out like right over here.
Oh, it's still kind of...
Yeah, that's the lizard he was trailing.
Oh man, sorry bud.
He was on the hunt and we blew it.
We blew his hunt, man.
So I'm heading back home. The road that I'm on right now is one of the little segments of the Rim of the World Trail, and it's really a beautiful road to drive on. If you ever get a chance to come up to the Big Bear area, try to do them all. I think I've gotten about, I don't know, half, 3/4 of all of the segments over the years, and every time I drive on this road, it's just so beautiful. It's curvy and fun and sheer drop-offs and just beautiful pine forest. Really worth it. So